Hello and welcome to McKillop Library Online. In this video, we will explore how to access full-text articles from a McKillop Library database. We'll begin with a basic keyword search in the CINAHL database using the terms emotional intelligence and nursing. I'm also going to add a third term here just to give us a more narrow set of results. Let's say we're now interested in exploring this topic through the lens of the workplace environment. We can add the term workplace, hit search. And for some additional filters, we'll use the publication date to limit our results to more current research, that in the last 10 years. And I'm also going to add the full text filter. Now, this is a pretty small set of results. Notice that some of these articles do provide access to the full text via these PDF links, but now some of them don't. But because we used this full text filter up here, our results are going to be limited to articles that we can view either in this database or from another database to which McKillop Library subscribes. So let me demonstrate this for you. I'm going to click on a title. Now I'm looking at the article record, and if I read the abstract and look at some of the other information and I determine that I want to read the full text of the article, but I don't see a direct link to that, the next step is to click this Find Full Text tool. Now this tool acts as a bridge, and as you can see, we have been transported to another database, one called Science Direct. And up over here on the right, you can see the logo for McKillop Library, so that is an indicator that we are still in the library portal for McKillop Library. We're just in a different database. So that full text finder tool acts as a bridge to carry us from one database to the other. And here is the link so that we can view the full text of this article. In this particular database, we can also scroll down and read it as an HTML text. Now, you'll notice that this interface looks a little bit different from CINAHL, and as you spend more time exploring various library databases, you'll discover that many databases have unique design features and functionality. For example, not all of the databases offer a full text function as we have here in terms of this filter. If I were to take this filter off, first of all, we've now got a larger set of results, but what that means is that some of the results might exist in another database to which we subscribe, and some of them might not. So let me try to demonstrate this for you. I'll click on another title, read the abstract, look for the PDF link and find that it's not there, so I use the Find Full Text tool. Now in this case, I have not been taken to another database. I've been taken to a landing page for an interlibrary loan request. This is another service that McKillop Library provides. We are still in the library portal. You're just being prompted to request the item through interlibrary loans. So once you click that button, all of the citation information is here at the top, and then you have prompts here to fill in your Salve information and then hit the Submit request. So that is another function of the Full Text Finder tool. And in this case, we would request the article from another library, and then we would send you a link. So it might take a couple of days to get the article. It might just take a few hours, but it's absolutely a service worth pursuing if you don't find the direct full text through another database at McKillop Library. All right, so just to recap here, we have used the Full Text Finder tool to explore how we can access other library databases to which the library subscribes, and we've also used the Full Text Finder tool as an entry to request an article through interlibrary loan. Now remember, if you have any questions, you can always use the Help pull-down menu to click on Ask a Librarian, and that will show you different ways to contact a librarian to get more information.